Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Samsung Galaxy A01 core. Firstly, open Play Store on both of them. Now you need to tap on the search bar, type Send Anywhere, and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now we have to wait for this one to download and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, go with Receive on Samsung and Send on Nokia. Then you need to click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose Send, and I've got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose Allow, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into some kind of Files app, selecting Browse in the middle, and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!